Fabric seats. You steam them, you scrub them, you drown them, and the stains still come back. It's one part of the interior almost everyone struggles with. Today, we're going to change that. Today, we're going to break down the truth about fabric seats. You're going to learn how fabric fibers actually behave, what contaminations get trapped inside them, and what your chemicals actually do. APCs, enzymes, degreasers, acids. And then we're going to go under the microscope so you can see exactly why fabric seats are so difficult, and then finally, what fixes them. But before we touch any chemicals, you need to understand what you're cleaning. Fabric isn't flat, it isn't simple, and stains aren't just on the surface. So let's break down how fabric fibers actually work. They're a three-dimensional weave, where every strand is twisted, layered, and full of tiny gaps where contaminants get trapped. When a fabric is new, the fibers sit tight, aligned, and flexible. As the seat gets used, body oils, food spills, dust, salt, and moisture work their way between the fibers, not just on the top. Under a microscope, you can clearly see this. The fibers are matted, compacted, and loaded with contaminations that you would never see with the naked eye. Here's the important part. Fibers expand with heat, alkalinity, and moisture. They contract with acid and rinsing. When the fibers expand, contaminants get pulled deeper and trapped, not pulled out. This is why so many people think that scrubbing and steaming works. The fibers lift, the nap changes direction, and the seats look cleaner, but the contaminants are still trapped. Scrubbing doesn't remove the problem, it distorts the fabric. It pushes the contaminants deeper, bends the fibers, and gives the illusion of clean. That's why stains look better when they're wet and come back when they dry. Steam superheats the fibers. They swell wide open, and they lock in contamination even deeper as they contract. That's how you set stains permanently. If you follow along, you're going to achieve better results, safer, and protect the longevity of the car's surfaces. I'm Nick from Nick's Auto Cleaning, and if you're tired of guessing and you want to learn the real science behind detailing, subscribe and stick around. We're just getting started.